Hi students, welcome to our maths class. So far we have seen the basic concepts of triangles, types and its areas. Today I am going to say the area of scalene triangle. Already I told you the formula for finding area of scalene triangle. What is the formula to find area of scalene triangle? Delta is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, right? You will see one problem here. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 9 cm, 12 cm and 15 cm. Okay? Since all the sides are different here, surely it is scalene triangle, right? So given, I will consider small a equal to 9 cm, small b equal to 12 cm, small c equal to 15 cm. First, what should you find? S equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. This is called semi-perimeter, right? Semi-perimeter. So calculate that first one. 9 plus 12 plus 15 upon 2. How much you will get? 21 plus 15, 36. Means 2 18s. So find out s minus a. S value 18 minus a value 9. So 9. S minus b. 18 minus 12. 6. S minus c. 18 minus 15. That is 3. Now area of triangle delta is equal to, what is the formula I told you? Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Square units. This is the formula to find area of a scalene triangle. What do you call this formula? I told you already. Heron's formula. This is called as Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So we can put values here. S value 18 into 9 into 6 into 3 under root. So here we do one thing here. Instead of calculating multiplying this, split them simply. 2 9s I can write this. Okay? 2 9s are already 9 is there, leave it. This 6 I will write 2 3s. This 3 as it is you write. Now all terms are 2 terms are there. See, 2 can I write 2 square? 9 9 can I write 9 square? 3 can I write 3 square? So I can write now 2 into 9 into 3. All are perfect squares only. So I can write whole square. Square root gets cancelled. 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54 square centimeter. 54 square centimeter. Therefore, required area of triangle is how much? 54 square centimeter. So this is the way we calculate the area of a scalene triangle, right? So Next one more we will see. Second question. 10 cm 10 cm 24 cm and 26 cm. Let us see this. So 10, 24, 26. So S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So this is 50, right? 50 plus 10, 60 by 2 means 30. So first what should you do? S minus A. 30 minus 10 will be 20. Similarly S minus B. 30 minus 24, that is 6. S minus C. 30 minus 26, 4. Right? Now substitute in the formula. Square root of S value I got 30, S minus A 20, S minus B 6, S minus C 4. Okay? Root of this I can write now. 6 5s are. This I will write 5 4s are. This 6 4 as it is you write. Now 2 terms you got here. Did you get 2 pairs? 6 square, 5 square, 4 square. This I can write 6 into 5 into 4 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120 squares. Therefore, the required area of triangle is 120 square cm. Okay? Now by looking at these problems, you have to try these two problems now. Small a equal to 18 cm, small b equal to 24 cm, small c equal to 30 cm. This we should calculate. A value, second problem, 21 meters, b equal to 28 meters, c equal to 35 meters. Okay? Do these problems, try yourself. Okay? The base and height of a triangle are in the ratio, third problem. The base and the height of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3. If the area of the triangle is 67.5 square meter, find its base and height. find its base and height. I will do it. See, the base and height of a triangle are in the ratio given. Ratio of base and height 5:3. Let base be 5x and height be 3x. Whenever we are given the ratio, you can take like that. Also we are given area, right? Also area is 67.5 square cm. We have, what is the formula to find area of triangle? Already we have one formula. Area of triangle is equal to, already I told you, half into base into height, square units. You remember? Half into base into height. When we are given the triangle like this, A, B, C, this is the height. So we are given the base here 5x and height 3x. Half into base into height. So area is given as 67.5 equal to half into base 5x, height 3x. So we can write 67.5 into by 2 will be into 2 by 5 into 3. X into x square, keep it there only. Multiplied terms, when you bring this side, it becomes division, right? Right? So you can cut now. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fives. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are. So 4.52 is 9, right? So x square. So x equal to 9 means square root of 9. So x value square root of 9 means 3. Square, if you bring this side, it becomes square root. Now I got x value 3, right? Therefore base equal to, my assumption is 5x. So 5 into x value 3. So 15 cm. Similarly height equal to, as per my assumption, height is 3x. So 3 into x value 3. 3 threes are 9. So therefore base is 15 and height is 9. Okay? We shall continue some more problems in the next class. Thank you.